Hello guys, welcome back to Week Mix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's update.
Hello lovely people, this is your boy Andy. Bless you for coming, bless you for subscribing to the channel. Today we do for update a group on this one. I should say Shatta, Wale, Kelvin Taylor, Akachi. What I say last year in the morning, SHAXI in 1 year, and we saw the anniversary, we saw the float, also medical, Felemaka and a whole lot of squad came through to support Duncan William. Baba support man what I say. So this year, early this year, that is Enray and Kelvin Taylor I talk up and they are just at Wale say honestly so they boy SHAXI Business, because mine and ya dream pa mine and I dream pa be say every me business be back on my muna my money pounds so say in your song for so into no Kelvin I've been home say the agenda we Shatta Wale they pushing it be good, so why not send me so many me kakra me one me fanboa. So what talk at the Shatta Wale say because of SHAXI hodo and from pushing SHAXI Business now Shatta Wale tia same way na just say who ni G and excitement and say Wale be kasa ho into the media no talk no and Wale be positive way or say Kelvin Taylor, I got my Christmas present. Thank you for this one car you sent for me to push SHAXI. This is just too much for me, bro. It's time to ride. So Shatta Wale say it's time to ride. Also, train up on now, Play Store, App Store. What I say, 20 Ghana cedis per for 12 hours ride. 12 hours drive. What they drive 12 hours and just 20 Ghana per will never make you money on for yourself. Keeping in now with what I say, SHAXI. So Charlie, make you all start promoting the business, because I think that everything is on point that so many push here. This thing will be helpful and also will go great for the whole brand, And then Charlie, this is the update that is coming on board from Shatta Wale's camp. Leave your comment below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell as I go around to bring you other news. My name is Andy. I'm out. Bye bye.